Hello and welcome to the unveilance of the new Gloucestershire Princess train Mark 54321 to take a special amount of passengers around on the branch line which have won a competition in the Daily Mail. So I'll be ready to unveil. Drum roll please. Dum 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 bum bum. Are you ready? All aboard! Now the top speed is 181 miles an hour. We might be reaching that today, we do not know. Talk about the track conditions. Now, because we are going so fast, it takes up a lot of water. So we have to go and take a water fill up on the next round. Now let's slow him down. I'd like to make a big thanks to everyone who organised this event and made it all possible. Now the engine driver is pulling up and now filling up with water.
I'd like to thank you all for coming. We're about to have an interview with Tony the engine driver, and we'll resume the trip after we filled up with water. Thank you. Hello Mr. Engine Driver, I'd like to ask you a few questions, okay?
Yep, fire away.
So, how long did it take to build the train?
Well, it took approximately like 3.5 years to build, yeah.
How much weight can it pull?
Well, it can pull about, let's say, about 50 tons.
Not bad then?
No, it's quite strong.
Yeah, I'd imagine. Are you proud to be the engine driver?
I'm awfully proud to be the engine driver, yes. But can I go back to the princess? I think she's filled up with water now.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Come back again, see you. Back to the Gloucestershire Princess. Welcome back, everybody. We like the train. We'll be taking another few routes round in a second. So if you'd like to take your seats, it'll be leaving very shortly. Thank you.
All aboard!
Oh dear, there seems to have been a crash.
Help! I'm in the blue car!
No one panic, no one panic. It's going to be okay. I've radioed in for help. They'll be with us in a few seconds.
I think my wife moved, Steve!
Don't keep calm. I'm coming to help you now. Everyone stay calm. I think we're going to have to turn the cameras on. Turn all cameras on. I repeat, turn all cameras on.
The news at 10. Do, 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 do.
Hello and welcome to the 10 o'clock news. There's been an awful accident taking the Gloucestershire Princess. It's crashed over a crossing, hitting two passing vehicles. We would now like to show you some live footage of the scene. Here we are with a helicopter. The scene is awful. As you can see, there's been a very big accident, and apparently there was 50 passengers on the train. 2 have been killed. The driver's severely injured and is in intensive care, and another 40 were injured. Very badly damaged. It was a brand new train and the driver is deeply upset. Thank you very much. Pass over to James now, back at the news station. Thank you very much. Now moving on, there's been severe fighting in Iraq.